When you communicate it, you will learn more. Dear students, here again we have few more vocabulary words which have been prepared for you all, and this vocabulary words are used for the word big contribution. As we can write in the above paragraph, when we are mentioning about the growth sectors of the pie chart, we can use the different words like enormous sectors, positive sectors, tremendous sectors, considerable sectors. In this way, you can write the different types of the vocabulary words which I have prepared for you all. So these words are very important, dear students. You need to prepare these words thoroughly. And now coming towards, as I told you all already about paragraph 2. So in paragraph 2, dear students, you need to write which section has shown more growth. And in paragraph 3, you need to write about which section has not shown growth. So in this way, you can write the 3 paragraphs. Paragraph 1 is talking about the outline, the opening line, that is the introduction and the summary. Paragraph 2, which talks about the different sectors which shows growth. And paragraph 3, which talks about the different sectors which doesn't show any growth. So in this way, you need to just plan the above pie chart into 3 paragraphs, and you need to write the 3 paragraphs accordingly by using much vocabulary words wherever necessary. And by using these vocabulary words, when you complete your pie chart, your paragraph, you will be scoring good marks. So dear students, now as we all come towards the analytical paragraph of the given pie chart, we also can see how the given pie chart had been written and how we have also learned how to use the vocabulary words in the pie chart. Now see, here we can see that is the graphical picture of the above pie chart in 2010 and 2020. In the above graph, you can see, dear students, agriculture in the year 2010 is more. And which sector is more in 2020 is educational sector. Now again, I have used some more range of vocabulary words which will be useful for you all in order to start the paragraph. These words like furthermore, moreover, additionally, besides, however, these words can be used in order to start your paragraph. Now here you can see, dear students, building and hospitality sectors showed a significant increase from 4% and 8% in 2010 to 11% and 12% in the year 2020. So here we are showing what has been shown more increase was building and hospitality. If you talk about building and hospitality in the year 2010, so what it showed? 4% and 8%. Whereas in the year 2020, it was been talking about 11 and 12%. So it has been increased compared to 2010 to 2020, the percentage had been increased. And furthermore, we also talk about trade and education. It had showed a slight rise, a slight increase had been showed, that is 1 and 2%. Like if you see about the education and trade. So trade and education, if you see the trade in the year 2010, it is 15%. And in 2020, it became 16%, means 1% increased. And if you talk about education, in the year 2010, it was 18%. And in the year 2020, it increased to 20%. So that means here we can see the slight increase of 2%. So in this way, we need to show the increase, the slight increase and the significant increase of the percentages in the different sectors. So this will come in paragraph 2. In the second paragraph, you need to show, as I told you earlier itself, you need to show how the sectors increase with their percentages. A slight increase. Significant increase means the increased sectors, the more increase in sectors, and slight increase means which has increased slightly. So in this way, you can just write these differences, the increase in different sectors. You can write and you can show the increase also, how much it is increased. 1% it increased, or 2% it increased, or 3%, whatever percentage is being shown between the 2 years from 2010 to 2020. So that amount of increment you have to show in the paragraph. This comes under paragraph 2. Now if you talk about paragraph 3, now here in paragraph 3 you have to show the poor growth or the sectors which remains the same. Now if you talk about paragraph 3, your agriculture sector had been declined. Declined means it is showing a poor growth. Now here in agriculture sector, if you see the pie chart, in the year 2010, agriculture sector is showing 25%. And the same agriculture sector, if you come towards 2020, it is declined, means it reduced. The percentage is reduced to 12%. Now this production sector is showing what? It is showing a poor growth. Poor growth it is showing between the two sectors. Now here, if you talk about the production sector, now coming towards the production sector, in 2010, the production sector was showing 12%. And coming to 2020, it is again showing 11%. So what is the difference? The difference is 1%. 1% is reduced, decreased. And now talking towards the growth in the financial sector. Now talking towards financial sector, in both the years 2010 and 2020, in both the years it is same. It is similar. So that shows that the financial sector has been going on. It was been doing well from the year 2010 to 2020. So dear students, you can see now in this way you need to write the paragraph. You can see the title, Contribution of Various Sectors of India. We have seen, no, the pie chart was talking about the contribution of sectors, no, of India, that is 2010 and 20. You have seen how it has been started, that is the opening line. The two pie charts display the contribution of different sectors to the growth of India in the year 2010 and 2020. This will be your opening line. And then you are giving the summarize, that is the summary. Initially, the building sector contributed least to the growth. Means you are showing the summary, what is least and what is been growing. And then you are coming towards the second paragraph. You can see the second paragraph, building and hospitality sectors. Just now I explained you. You are showing the difference between them. Then you are showing the difference of trade and education also. That is from 2010 to 2020. How much it increased and how much it decreased. The same way in third paragraph you are showing agriculture sector. So thank you dear students.